Hi, I'm Cory, and welcome to Get Creative at Home. Today we're going to be doing the Zentangle technique. So Zentangle is basically a form of doodling where you create different unique patterns. So like for example, I have some here. Now with Zentangle, you can do it in black and white, you can do it in color, you can use pretty much anything, pencils, markers, crayons, whatever you got lying around. It's a lot of fun. So like you can create all sorts of different patterns and stuff. So I'm gonna, on my piece of paper over here, I'm gonna go ahead and create some. So I have sectioned off my paper, creating sort of a wavy X pattern to separate it all off, and then each section I'm going to do a different thing. So like here I'm going to do some wavy lines like that. There you go. And then over here I'm going to do some jagged lines. So and then over here, I'm going to do some concentric circles. So basically just the circles are going to get bigger as they go out. And then over in this section, I'm going to do a spiral. So I'm going to start in the middle and then do a spiral swirling outwards. And then like when you get to the edge, you just sort of have to like kind of guesstimate where the circle is going to spiral out more. Okay, and then another fun one I like to do is I call them scales. So basically it's like you're creating like little scales. So you're doing little U's or W's, and you're just going to keep doing them until you get all the way across the page. I'm going to do one. So the fun thing about Zentangle is that like it's just really, well, I feel it's like really peaceful. You just let your mind wander and you're just doing random patterns and designs. So it's a lot of fun, I think. And there's no one way to do it. You can create all sorts of cool patterns and stuff. Like you don't even have to use lines. You could do a pattern with letters. Like for example, I could, over in this next one I'll show you. So I'm going to create a pattern using my name. So I'm just going to write my name and then write it again and just keep writing it. So yeah, so you can make a pattern out of pretty much anything. So it's pretty cool. Okay, cool. So yeah, so now we have our base patterns down. So if you want to leave it like that, you can, or you can color if you want. So like I have some colors here. I'm gonna color mine real quick. So this one, I'm gonna make it green. And then these concentric circles, I'm going to make half of them green. So I'm going to do green and then skip one, green and then skip one, And then I may go back later and fill in with a different color, or I might just leave them white and do like a white and green stripe pattern. So either way, we'll see. Okay. And then maybe this one I'll do blue and green. So we'll start filling in the blue. Before I go back to that one, I'm going to do some of these scales with this blue color. Switch to orange. to spice it up, we're going to alternate. Going to do some of them green, some of them blue. So. Alright, so there you go. That is the Zentangle piece. So yeah, so it's pretty easy. You can do it at home. Like I said, you don't really need much, just some paper and at the least a pencil or a marker. If you want to color it, that's a lot of fun. I like coloring. Green's my favorite color, so that's why I got a lot of green there. But anyway, I'd like to see yours as well if you do it, and then share it with us at #7publiclibrary. And I will see you guys around. Bye.